I'm having some problem with this washing machine. It says OE up here, and it means that it cannot drain the water from here with this pump that's down here and through that hose to the drainage. And I did some very advanced diagnostics on it, and I'll show you in a little while. But I think that I need to change that drain pump. And you are supposed to remove 2 screws in here and then some plastic clips up here. But I'm hoping that I can use a bit of violence, remove these screws and then just pull this out here. Because I got this fryer up here and it's really heavy. And then take down this here and here, and then I can get to that pump. And the pump, I bought it here. It was, I think it was like 300 Swedish kroners, like 30 bucks or something like that. But this machine now, it's 10 years old, so I don't want to spend too much on it. If this doesn't work, I'll probably buy a new one. I got these 2 screws out, and now you're supposed to remove this cover and just slide it back. And then there's some kind of some way to remove this here, but it might work with just violence, maybe. I don't know. I need 2 hands. Oh. There are screws in here. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm not gonna be able to do it this way, unfortunately. I don't care if I damage this, because it's not like I'm gonna be able to sell it or something like that. So I will probably have to take this down. Fred helped me lift it down. It's good to have a extra pair of strong muscles in the family. So it wouldn't have worked. You see, it's screwed in here. But there were some models that were just had these plastic clips, but not this one. I got the control panel out. It was just these 2 here, and taking that one here, and I'm removing the patch. I had to take this lower panel off. It's just 2 screws, and then remove it, and then there was screws there and the other side. And there's this kind of spring-loaded thing here that you can remove, and then I don't know. Why isn't this? Oh, what? Oh, okay. It sits on these plastic bushings here, so you have to pull a bit to get this out. So this big cover here, just first pull at the bottom out and then lift it up, because you can see it's hanging on these here. So this is the part I'm changing, and this is not from LG, this is some other model, but I hope it will work. I mean, if this one hold up 10 years and maybe this will hold 5 years, I don't know. And then it's time to replace this whole machine. So I was a bit afraid that there was something in here, like a foreign object, but it's okay, there's nothing here, I think. So this is the old pump, and yeah, you can see this impeller is the bearing in here is really, it's gone. This one is tight. So the new pump is here, and I just I could just remove these 3 bolts, and then I could angle it up and change it. I didn't even have to remove any of these hoses. So I'm just gonna put everything together and try it out now. This steel spring thing here was kind of hard to get back, but what I did was I took both my knees like this, and then I hold it with one hand, and then I use a screwdriver and just bend it over, like working with a tire. Just did a test run, and it seems to work great now. So thank you for watching. I hope this might help someone. Bye!